They don't consider those being
Sanibonani Inanda. Hello. Siphakathi Inanda. Hello. 88.4 FM. You guys can stream. Hello. You guys can stream. Stream live if you're not in Durban, okay? Stream live if you're not in Durban. Music is playing. That's why we say we really love this place.
Let's go. Well, here we go.
I gotta go now. The show. Some tripping, man. Y'all some tripping. To get over. Y'all some tripping. To get under. I was stuck in the middle. Woo, the best of it.
And the only way to survive
is to make a profit off it.
Oh yeah. And I won't quit.
trying to make money so life can be a pure bliss. Reminisce on days gone by.
Am I turning here?
No, come be.
Don't be scared, let's let each other fly. See how we get by.
Why is this guy driving so slow? Oh my god.
It's full of dirty tricks. Never trust a trick.
With God's blessing, nobody will take my place.
I just love this place.
God's blessing, nobody will
Take my place. I just love this place. Wow, this guy is so slow in front of us.
Yeah.
And we like, I'm not so late.
We so late.
The music is playing, that's why we're saying. I mean, really, who does it?
Okay, where am I turning here?
Oh, we love it. Oh, we love it, yeah.
Oh, Ila.
We love this place. Oh, we love it.
khona zizothula yena asitshele ukuthi ubani and she'll get right into the business of things. Ngicela uzisho igama lakho Nkosazane and then just carry on.
Hi guys, igama lami nguLwazi, also known as Lwazi on all your music platforms. So hey, hello, sanibonani nada, sanibonani ematendeni, sanibonani clip, sanibonani. Hello.
And that is a beautiful Nolwazi S9 namhlanje studio who's come to bless us ngomculo wakhe omnandi. But let me not say mnandi, ngicela mlaleli uzizwele kuwe. Take it away.
Yes. Okay. Hi. Sandra Sami, baby, why me? Gone downtown for no ganga. Sandra Sami, baby, why me? Gone downtown for no ganga. Oh, 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 for no ganga. Shela Angela. Shela Angela. Oh, for no ganga. Yeah, no for no ganga. Bula Angela. wathi uyangithanda wathi inkomo ziphelele awuye wathi uyangithanda wathi inkomo yeta ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ungishela kanjena ungishela kanje kanti ufuna uganga ungithinta kanjena ungithinta kanje kanti ufuna uganga wathi ngikusondeze ngikutshela imfihlo zami ngikumbulele yonke inhliziyo yami wathi uyangithanda wathi inkomo ziphelele wathi uyangithanda wathi inkomo yeta ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ngami ufuna uganga ngami ufuna uganga ufuna uganga ngami ufuna uganga ngami ngishela kanjena ngishela kanje kanti ufuna uganga ngami ungibuka kanjena ungibuka kanje kanti ufuna uganga ngami ngithinta kanjena ngithinta kanje kanti ufuna uganga ngami
Wow, I thought I went to my sister gonna clap. I'll clap, I'll clap, I'll clap. And that is Kimberly Mnandi Likano Lwazi, who's our guest in studio today. This is our Jimuka. But you know what I like about you? Because I would see all this time, it's nice, but it's kind of sad because of but you're just smiling throughout. You are just smiling throughout. Welcome. And why music?
Music is my passion. That's why music is what I live for. It's literally like it's literally what I live for. I just love music. I can't live a day without music. I can't imagine a day without music.
So tell us a bit more about the fact that who are you, where you from, and how you got introduced to this love of your life that is music.
Okay, Lwazi gama. Ngowala eThekwini. Kahle kahle ngikhulele eNtuzuma. I stayed in Avoca Hills. Nginomndeni eNtuzuma, eMatendeni. So yeah, I basically just love music. Uqala kwami ukucula ngaqala nje ngisemncane nje ngoba ngikuthanda ngingakabi professional so to speak. So yeah, nje that's basically who I am in a nutshell.
I like it to ushigama lokuthi ube professional. How does umculo ekhaya, let's say ngiyacula, I know how to sing, but how do you get to a level of singing professionally?
Okay, more professionally, I think it's when you at least have recorded something in studio, you know, ezwakalayo. That people can listen to and you know and criticize, you know, and into ezokwazi ukudlala ku-radio, into abantu abazokwazi ukudlala kuma-radio stations, mawukwazi, like for me, I'm an independent artist, though I do have like partners that I partner with in terms of distribution and publishing. So like ngasho ukuthi for me it's been a hassle to just ngibonele mina ukuthi hawe makanti kunjena ukhokha imali ye-studio, ukhokha imali for mixing and mastering, ukhokha imali for shooting music video na yonke leyo nto that comes with it. So it looks glamorous on the outside, mase kwenzakalile, but there's a lot of work that goes in, prior to that.
And I guess I think for me, keep in mind, you realize, oh my word. But I enough to keep a low man. I mean, really, then do you really believe in yourself? And do you really believe in abantu bazoyithatha yini leyo nto if ungayikhokha imali to invest in your own crafts?
Well, it's a business.
Yeah.
Music is a business, and like any business, it's a product. I'm just basically making a product. Fano mutoenze single, but there is a single. Nami ngenza music. I make music. I write from scratch. I create with my guitar. And akona kamanye amaculo engiwenzile house nakhona, but nakhona I'm still using my voice. Namanye ngiwabhalile. So yeah, I think it's very important ukuthi umuntu mangabe eyimisele ukuthi mhlawumbe uyafuna ukungena ka music azazi ukuthi I understand the industry because it is a business. I think siyayenza lelo phutha mhlawumbe lokuthi uyitshela ukuthi ayi usibani bani uzongenzela, and which is why most artists have actually like failed in a sense, like Tupac nabo bani babefuna ukuphuma kuma contract but akuphumeki, yabo nabanye abantu enibabonayo la South Africa mhlawumbe abanye yabo umuntu ashone ngenalutho based on the fact that mhlawumbe izinto zakhe beyi-ownwa yinkampani, and not necessarily mhlawumbe benga understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yes, you are the artist, you should own your music, you should at least own your product, but abantu ke asisebenzi kanjalo, asicabanga kanjalo, asiboni kanjalo, asazi. I think ulwazi nje into engekho, but yeah, I think nje uhulumeni as in culture, I think fanele usukume nje wenze sure ukuthi ama-artist ayalithola ulwazi, ayazi ukuthi angena kwini mayingena kuma-contracts, and i-contract yakhe ichaza ukuthini into kanjani.
And how has your journey been? Okay, how long have you been doing this? Nanoguti, how has it been? Mangathatshela umuntu who hasn't got into the industry, ongazi, what would you say they must watch out for?
There's nothing to watch out for. Just as it's funny ngempela mina mhlawumbe ngasizana ukuthi ngahamba la esikoleni ngafundela i-BCom yabo yangenza ngaqeqesheka in terms of understanding business. So ngiya understand ukuthi mangabe ngingena e-studio imali yabo, and it's like it's literally using a resource like an input to transform something and make an output, just any other product yabo, fun any product. So umuntu ebengamtshela nje yazi bosami kona nje my sister ukuthi phela yabo nalabo bhuti laba bayashela yabo abo bhuti producer nje umuntu angene ukuthi obani bafuna ukucula hayi ugcina ngasacula understand kanjani manje sifike kanjani manje lapho. So there are vultures, and just yazi ma ukuthi uyazazi ngempela ukuthi unalo italent dadewethu noma nawe bhuti wami olalele mfethu zama mfethu ngayonke indlela ukuthi yonke into yakho kube yakho, akube yakho, kube wena ophethe kulelo business. Understand ukuthi business wena ophethe lo products, mangabe ungekho wena ngeke kwenzele lokho. So labo bantu laba bazobe befuna ukuthi besebenze nawe, bazobe befuna ukusebenza nawe based on leyo product leyo yabo lonto. So yeah,
talking about ukusebenza nabantu, who have you worked with and who do you still want to work with? And it could be anyone in the world, not just in South Africa.
I'd obviously love to work with Beyonce. I mean, really.
Of course.
Really, I mean, come on. Oh, Beyonce, Umaskandis to Beyonce. Like, I mean, really.
That would be nice.
Like, I'd love to do that. Like South Africa, I've worked with DJ Melon. Yeah, and like other DJs as well in terms of like deep house and just house music. So ngi house music vocalist abangaziyo abakwazi ukuthenga umculo. And yeah, in terms of like abanye abantu la South Africa mhlawumbe ngifisa ukusebenza nabo, I would say Black Mambazo, Ladies Black Mambazo. Who else? Yeah, I think, Prince KB, but I'm not sure right now.
What do you...
I wanted to work with him, but I don't know, eh? Yeah, after the tweets, I'm not sure. I don't think I
Don't
want
like
that, but yeah. And in terms of bands, I think the Muffins. I think I'd like to have like a song with the Muffins.
Yeah.
It's such I love their music. I love and appreciate music like South Africa, Othandiswa Mazwai, Simphiwe Dana, Busi Mhlongo. Like I love that. I really do. Which is why I think I'm inspired to write in my native language, and it's very hard, but okay. Siyayenza.
Okay, I see it's Siyahamba, but I want us, we're going to go to the news, right? We got the news, and then Masbo in Dabeni, we're going to carry on with our interview because there's still a few more questions on Funukubuza, and then you can tell us about the work that you are currently busy with and doing right now.
Okay,
That is besides my own Elano Lwazi, who's our guest in the studio. If you just tuned in, you missed out. She did just a beautiful track and Zakona live on in studio. We've got the news now. Masibuya Sokubeka naye here on the World Music Show. My name is Ezulu Dube, and this is Inanda 88.4 FM.
I'm working on an album which it's gonna be released. I'm not sure when, but I'm working on that. Right now I'm pushing these songs. I pray to God you guys listen and love these songs and actually buy these songs. And what's saying guys, singani, streamani, downloadani, khona yonke indawo, every stream, every platform kahle kahle eno music iyadayiswa khona. Ngicela nithenge iculo igama leculo igangangami elinye umangi nawe igama le like the title of the actual cover sleeve is called Indlunkulu and it's Lwazi. Just search for Lwazi on your music platforms, you'll definitely find me there.
Okay, and for bookings, if people want you at their weddings, because I'm feeling wedding vibes, reception vibes,
Okay. Mangabe ufuna ukuthi ukungibooka, you can either email me or go on my my Facebook page. So you can email me on nolwazimabizela@gmail.com. Or you can just send me an inbox on Facebook. My name is Nolwazi Ayanda Mabizela on Facebook. So you can either like invite me or just like my page. And yeah, I'll definitely be there.
All right. Last question, I promise. In Nyanga, Abasha, we were celebrating Youth Day just last week. Umuntu omusha wakhona la eNingizimu Afrika, yini ongayisho kwabanye abantu abasha, especially those who are just trying to push for their dreams? What's that one advice ongabanika?
It's hard, eh? Kona kunzima kule South Africa sikuyona njengamanje economy ya Ramaphosa. Kunzima impela, I'm not gonna lie, especially as a graduate ohleli, you know, who's just trying to make things happen or trying to have a business, sustainable business, kodwa ungenayo funding, yabo. Uzama ukuhlanganisa izinto with nothing really. So I've started everything with nothing. Ngiqale nje ngingenalutho, so yonke into engiyenzayo ngiyenza ukuthi ngiyacela sibanibani noma ngenzani sibanibani, or you know, I partner with people. But nje ngicela nje ukuthi ugqugquzele ukuthi vuka uyixoshe mntakwethu, vuka nje uyixoshe mntama, akekho umuntu ozokwenzela, uhulumeni yazi akusize ngalutho. Qhubeka nje uzame okuthandayo, you will get there. Just zama, uvuke nje ugeze, ucovaselini bangene.
Bese uye kukushela producer. Uye kuqoma producer
no producer bayashelana ke nje, bayashelana no producer. Producer nje uzofika azokushela. Kanti wena uzosebenza seyakushela yabo. So nje, hey guys, keep your focus, especially when you're a young woman and you know you have a dream. And kunzima kona, kunzima, it's a very hard road. Kodwa ngicela nje uzame mntakwethu, zama nje.
Thank you very much. Mutufuzos Farashela. September in the album Masilady, you're gonna come back and
I'll
visit
definitely
us.
come back, yes.
And September Ulazi with some producer Tizeni. The advice you are dishing out, we're hoping that yes, Caesar. Thank you. That was the lovely Lwazi on all social music platforms. And yeah, that's the interview. That's how we wrap it up. We are on the soul half hour. So without any further ado, we are on a music world music show, Inanda FM. Let us carry on with that.